Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into your space, you can begin to notice the simple, profound fact of your own presence. I hear, in this room, in this body, in this moment, and you can allow your awareness to soften, to gently release its hold on the past and its anticipation of the future, and simply arrive right here, right now. With every breath you take, you are anchoring yourself more deeply into the present, inhaling the here, exhaling the now. And it's okay to notice whatever you notice. The sounds around you, the feeling of the air on your skin, the subtle weight of your body being supported. These are not distractions. They are the very texture of this moment. They are the doorway and I wonder if you can recall a time, even if just for a fleeting second, when you felt completely present. It might have been watching a sunset, or listening to a piece of music, or feeling a cool breeze. A moment where thought fell away and there was just pure experience. And as you remember that now, you can allow that feeling to begin to stir within you once more. That sense of being fully immersed, of time softening, of awareness becoming spacious and clear. Your mind is learning on a very deep level that stillness is not the absence of thought, but the space in which thoughts can come and go like clouds in a vast, open sky. Open sky, every beat of your heart. You are reminded that life is happening only now. This heartbeat, this breath, this is life, expressing itself through you in this eternal present that you can allow yourself to sink even deeper into this truth, letting go of any effort, any trying, simply being. My awareness is a gentle, welcoming light, illuminating my experience without judgment. With every breath I take, I am rooting myself more deeply into the now. Inhaling, is simply being. I am here. I am fully present in this moment. My awareness is a gentle, welcoming light, illuminating my experience without judgment. With every breath I take, I am rooting myself more deeply into the now, inhaling peace, exhaling distraction. I release the past with my out-breath, knowing it has shaped me but does not define this moment. I release the future with my out-breath, trusting it will unfold from the quality of my presence now. My body is my anchor to the present. I feel the aliveness in my hands, the steady rhythm of my heart, the constant, faithful flow of my breath. I can feel a deep sense of calm settling into every cell of my being. It begins at the crown of my head, a soothing, cool clarity, and it flows down like a gentle waterfall of stillness, relaxing my forehead, my eyes, my jaw. This calm washes over my shoulders, releasing any weight I've been carrying. It fills my chest with a warm, expansive peace, making room for my heart to beat with easy, present moment rhythm. This tranquility flows down my arms to my fingertips, a tingling awareness of life energy, here and now. It pools in my belly, a center of gravity, a deep reservoir of quiet strength and presence. It moves down through my legs, my feet, connecting me to the supportive earth below, grounding me utterly in this moment. From my head to my toes, I am immersed in a bath of present moment awareness, fully here, fully alive, fully at peace. The present moment is enough. It is complete. It holds everything I need right now. In this now, there is no problem to solve, no role to play, no story to maintain. There is just being, and in this being, I discover an infinite well of creativity, of love, of intuitive wisdom. My senses are time itself is transforming in my awareness. It is no longer a line I am racing along, but a deep, wide ocean I am floating within. With every wave of my breath, I am carried deeper into this oceanic presence. And you might notice how easily your mind accepts this, how naturally your body relaxes into this truth. And you might notice how easily your mind accepts this, how naturally your body relaxes into this truth. It's as if you are remembering a state you have always known, a home you have always carried within you. And this present moment awareness is your birthright. It is the essence of who you are before any thought, any worry, any plan, and you are reclaiming it now, fully, completely, and I am the silent witness to the miracle of this moment, the miracle of breath, the miracle of sensation, the miracle of consciousness itself. Gratitude arises effortlessly from this place of presence. Gratitude for this breath, for this heartbeat, for this capacity to be aware and verilight. And verilight. This joy is my anchor. This peace is my home. This awareness is my power. And I know that this state of presence is not something I visit only in meditation. It is a quality I can carry with me. It is woven into my neurology, a new default setting of calm awareness. In the middle of a busy day, I can always return here with one conscious breath, with one gentle touch of my anchor sensation. I can instantly access this pool of stillness. Close more so conscious mind is now permanently linked to this resource. The connection is strong. The pathway is clear. The sound of my own breath can trigger this deep presence. The simple intention to be here now can trigger this deep presence. So, intention to be here now can trigger this deep presence. So, Wistre, each can be here now, can trigger this deep presence. It becomes easier and easier, more and more natural. This is who I am becoming. Ye mind well, the night me of Beardsley. Each can be here, in this vibrant, eternal now. I meet each moment fresh, with beginner's mind, free from the filters of old stories. In this freshness, I find infinite possibility. In this stillness, I find. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.